yesterday there was a gentleman, I think he was from Promax, who started talking about credit leads. So analyzing websites as a vendor, I noticed that the majority of our websites did not have our credit form. So I had to investigate why. And upon investigating, I had to be the first one to admit that, like, credit form pages are like this long, right? And they're very intimidating. So I started to take a look at, well, I know they're intimidating, and I know that these ones that have these videos on them are definitely a little bit more engaging, but let me get some data so I can make sure that I'm accurate in what I'm about to say. And the data was this. The websites that had a plugin application, whether it's Virtual Credit Consultant, Credit Jockey, Dealer Centric, you name it, they generated like 4 times the amount of leads than websites that had the long, boring form. So I then said, you know what, let me just look at our form. I know it's really long, but customers still got to be filling it out, but how many am I losing upon filling them out? And here's where I'm going to run with this. And this is what brought up the whole conversation yesterday that a lot of dealers weren't aware of. Social Security number. 45% of customers that are trying to fill out this long, boring form, once we asked for the Social Security number, they bounced out. So not only did the form, it's long, but when we actually got them to fill it out, they left upon asking for a Social Security number. Well, did you know, and you do now because you heard this yesterday, the industry, it's called a 5-liner. The 5 lines of information are simply first name, last name, address, the city, and an email, not a Social Security number. With 5 lines of information, you can do what's called a soft credit pull on a consumer. This soft credit pull will actually give you the customer's credit score. So I think the great analogy yesterday was, it's basically like you're playing poker with somebody, but you know what their hand is.
If you like this information, you should look into the next Internet Sales 20 Group. Go to www.internetsales20group.com and sign up now.